You see the fan is making noise. It's probably the motor's gone or else there's something loose inside. So I'll take you upstairs and see what's wrong in there. First of all, turn off the switch and I'll show you how we can remove the Braun cover. This is a Braun fan, but it's usually same for everyone. So you just pull down and then squeeze your cover mount in a bit, and now it's out. Similarly on the other end, if you see this, just press it a bit and remove it. Pull the cover down. Now the first thing you want to do is remove the plug, because that's the electrical connection and you don't want someone to switch it on or the connection's still on. So I'm removing this plug. The second thing you want to do is just a flathead screwdriver. With a flathead screwdriver, I'll show you. Come here. I'll show you. Over here, all the fans would have something like this hinged in. You see here, or else on this part. So you just click it over like this. Now it's off the hook. What you do is just pull down the cover. Can you please hold it? Thank you. Just pull down the cover like this, and you have the whole mounting plate and the motor right on your hand. So I'll step it down. I'll put the motor down. You can either use a plier just to unhook the screws. So either is a faulty motor or the mount is loose, as I said earlier. So I'm removing the nuts. So the nuts are out. The mounting plate is out. So now your motor is on its own and the plate. You can either order the motor if it's not working or making sound or noise, and hook it up as the same. We removed it, like get the new motor, mount it up back, slice it in and hook up the cover. Alright, let me know if you have any questions for this and I'll be happy to answer that. Thank you. Bye bye.